Thursday, I believe it's the 12th, and I am just heading out from Badger, Newfoundland. Stopped in at the Robins across the street. That's the motel I stayed in way back there. Again, don't recommend it. Total dive. Didn't even want to take my shoes off because the carpet was so dirty. That's all I'm gonna say though. Crow's just hanging out with me over there. So anyways, if you are rolling through Badger, there are very limited options. So if you are thinking you're gonna stay here, you might want to call ahead. There's a couple places. There's another one that's, I forget what it's, something efficiency units. I heard they are a bit nicer than the place I stayed in over there. The Sunny Motel, the thing I'm noticing about all these really bad motels is that there's no effort being put into it whatsoever. Like, they can't even go out and pick up all the weeds from outside the establishment. No, like, put some fresh paint, nothing. It's just no effort, and they'll take your money though. So anyways, I am heading for Grand Falls right now. Gander's about, I think 120K, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna get there today, but we'll see. If it stays like this all day, I don't mind it. It's not too bad. The humidity is supposed to pick up, so we'll deal with that. And yeah, so if you're new to the channel, I'm Dean, and I'm just finishing up a cross-Canada adventure. I probably have about 4 days at the most left to get to St. John's, Newfoundland. Started on Vancouver Island, so if you hit that subscribe button, if you haven't, I'd really appreciate it. Cheers. All right, gang, another overcast day, kind of fortunately and unfortunately. All right, guys, just stopped to get a little shot of this beautiful sight here. I'm gonna check and see if I can find out what river that is.
Stay here or from I could be hard or I could be weak.
All right, guys, so I just jumped off the highway to grab a pee, like I said, and the Trans-Canada has been flanking the highway the whole way. So I think I'm going to jump on it. It just goes up here, it reconnects with the highway in a bit. So if it looks good here, and if it kind of stays that way, since we are coming into a bigger town, it might. I'll probably just stay on it until the next highway section, and if it's good till then, I'll probably jump on it right into Grand Falls, just to get a little more scenery, I guess. I thought it would be a lot worse because it rained last couple of days, but it looks pretty good right here, so I should know better. It's probably going to be crap in about 500 yards or meters or so, but it is what it is. We'll see. Let's find out. All right, so on the T-Railway, Trans-Canada Trail. I do, like I said, I do plan on coming back and doing the whole thing, but what I think I would try to do is, you know, park my van, because I am going to get a van, park the van at one end, and then get a ride back to the opposite end and ride back to the van.
What lies ahead I cannot guarantee. We could be last or we could be first. We could move on or in reverse. But either way I'll be your company. But either way I'll be your company. I could be hard or I could be weak. I could be anything you need. Yes, I will always be good company. I could be all for, I could be on, I could be anything you want. Yes, I will always be I will always be good company.
What a crazy planet we live on, guys. Just Canada alone. Think about the diversity I've seen on this trip, all the way from BC through the prairies. Then you're looking at this, it's tundra basically. You can see the earth in front of me. So it's very peaty, boggy. This whole area out there is basically that. So it's just kind of like a, I forget what these plants are. Oh, these are blueberries. Jeez Louise, look at this, guys. Oh boy, yeah. See, I'm sinking right down, but holy crap, look at that. Wow, this is a massive area of blueberries here. Fantastic. I wasn't even going to stop, but I had to go to the bathroom. Oh man. Are they ever good? Nature providing. Delicious. These two hawks are chasing each other around. Definitely not happy with each other. I can't believe it. Like, it's weird. The Trans-Canada Trail has basically no existence on the trail as far as signage or anything, but every once in a while come across that. Nice spot here, to say the least. See what the ATVs are doing to this bridge here. Sorry guys, but my thoughts on them is they're just destructive to everything. And I would honestly be glad if they didn't exist on the trails. I understand they serve a purpose for farming and stuff like that, but... And again, it's nothing to do with the people driving them. I met some guys at the motel last night, super nice guys. But I was talking to them about my thoughts on the trails and ATVs and bikes not mixing, and they totally agreed. You can see where I was coming from. Unobstructed view without rain clouds and fog. Sweat inside my mind, perspiration drips and waters down the tide like sea glass tumbling. And all your dreams lost among the wind get trapped inside my net. Alright guys, just in Grand Falls, Windsor. Stop and take a break, eat some of that sandwich that I got, maybe grab another coffee. Don't necessarily need one, but never hurts. Road again. Should say on the highway again, on the TCH. Trans-Can. Next stop, Bishop's Falls.
And you've kept me wondering if it's worth wondering. And you've kept.
All right, guys, I just stopped at the Timmy's here, just outside of Bishop's Falls, to have coffee. And unfortunately, I witnessed someone have a heart attack, and they weren't able to revive him. They're still giving him CPR, but it's been over 15 minutes. And in all honesty, it took way too long to get into the truck. Maybe I should have went over and did something, I don't know, but they were trying to get in it with a clothes hanger and open the door, and in the end it was just smashing the window that got in. So I don't know, there was already 10 people involved. I don't know, anyways, nothing I could do, I guess. Anyways, just don't second guess things. If you want to do something, do it. Like, this just confirms what I'm doing. So anyways, I wish I didn't see that, to be honest with you. So my condolences to his family, and hope he rests in peace. So pretty nice geology here. Of course, there's got to be yahoos to paint on it, rock all everywhere. See, I'm walking up this hill. Humidity's kicking the shit out of me. I don't know if I think I've talked about it in previous videos, but around 2008 I had what I believe was a heat stroke at work. Ended up having to go to the hospital. Long story short, they told me that when that happened, the heat would probably always bother me, and it has ever since then. So nice little spot along the road here, little beaver lodge over there. Lots of climbing right now, so a little bit of a tailwind, so not too horrible, but still climbing nonetheless. Well, guys, you see that sign there, it says Twilling Gate. It's where you can see the icebergs float by. A little too far for me to go though, since I'm on a bike. A little too far off route. Alright guys, I got a screw in my tire, as you can see there, so I'm in bad situation here. I may have to flag a ride. I'm not pulling it out, it's a screw, so I probably can't even pull it out. Try and ride with it in it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try and ride with it in it, and I'm gonna try and get a ride somewhere. Alright guys, I'm just signing off for Thursday, August 12th. I'm actually in Lewisporte, which was never the intention for today. I was heading for Gander, but I took that puncture in the rear wheel as I document it, and then I ended up getting a ride. So I didn't have the camera. We had to get the bike in the van on the side of the Trans-Canada Highway. So thanks to Eric. I cannot remember his wife or girlfriend's name, it's just because of my memory. But thanks for them to getting me to at least Lewisporte, where I was able to get a room, get situated for the night. The tire does not seem to be holding air. It doesn't go totally flat right away, but I may have to throw the tube in, unfortunately, so I think I'll do that tomorrow morning. Really weird day today. Seeing that man have a heart attack and die at the Tim Hortons, it really affected me. Yeah, sure, it's a perfect stranger. I don't know anything about him, but it's a human life that I saw go out in front of me. So I am pretty shaken up about that. I really am. I'm not a softie. I am a very emotional person though. And yeah, that was a tough one to take. So yeah, anyways, I don't want to talk about that too much anymore. So I am just going to sign off for Thursday, August 12th, and hope that tomorrow's a better day. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care, everybody. And make sure you love the people that matter to you with everything you have, because nothing's guaranteed. Tomorrow's not guaranteed, guys. So get out there, do what you have to do, and love the people that matter to you. Cheers.